Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to draw a curve in Google Slides using the updated 2026 tools. It's really simple, so yeah, here's how to do it. First, open your slide or create a new blank one. Go to Insert, hover over Line, and choose Curve. Click once to place your first point, then keep clicking to add anchor points and shape your curve. Fewer points usually give you a smoother line. To finish the curve, bring your cursor back to the starting point and click again to close it. Or double-click anywhere if you want an open, wavy line. After you're done, adjust the line weight and color from the top toolbar. If you want it to stand out, open Format Options and turn on a drop shadow or glow. If you closed your curve, you can add a fill color to create a custom shape. And for extra precision, right-click and choose Edit Points to fine-tune every bend. And that's it. That's how to draw a curve in Google Slides for 2026. Thanks for watching, and